Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open, and here you can set your default browser, or you can click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in, or you can click not now. Now you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now, and your Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.